I want to ask you a question. Did you ever think that what amount of time you use for yourself? You might have heard that time is equal to money. But do you believe this? Do you really believe in this thing? Because I don't believe in this thing. If you will have some money, if you will have some currency, and if you will lose it, there is extreme possibility that just by doing some hard work you will get it, or maybe more than that you had in past. But can you get back your time that you have lost doing some meaningless activities? Are you even aware of the fact that how much of time do you waste on those things which are not going to be useful for in the future? If you will not consider your future, if you will not do anything by considering its effects in the future, then do you think you are doing something good for you? Can you say that you are your own best friend? Because you are not taking care of your future. You need to take care of your future in the present time, because present time is going to design your future. If you will keep on wasting time on meaningless activities and talking to people who are not going to be useful for you in your future, like they are going to use you and leave you, and you are not working on your talents, on your abilities, or trying to work on your weaknesses, who is going to work for you? Can you really trust your friends or anyone else? Do you really think that this person is not going to leave you in any situation? Maybe yes, maybe no. But who is your best friend? Who should be your best friend? You. You need to be conscious about the time. You need to have some sense of timing, that where are you investing or wasting your time. So I just want to tell you that please just think about it, that how much time do you use for yourself, for improving yourself, for making yourself strong, and how much time do you waste just for the sake of entertainment? And what is this entertainment? Is this going to be helpful for you in future? No. This meaningless entertainment is taking away the opportunity for you to become very happy in future. And this entertainment is just a distraction. It is not even an entertainment. So please think about this, and I would like you to think about what you do. And it will be very good if you will do self-investment, means investing time on yourself and making yourself so strong that your future will be extremely beautiful, because you are the creator of your future. Please think about this. Thank you.